Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're looking at the how-to lady. Yes, so we're going to dive right in and we're going to talk about
Today we're going to share how to do a DIY or a life hack in a snap.
So if you're interested, stay tuned and we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park.
Do you ever want to wear your favorite jeans to work on jean day, but they have rips in them? Well, I have a DIY/hack that can fix this in a snap. All you have to do is lay your jeans out on a counter and we're going to start the work. The first thing you have to do is turn the jeans inside out. We'll do that now. All you need to fix these rips in these jeans are tape and a permanent marker. And here's what we're going to do. Hold tight. So here, what we've done is we've taken the tape and we've turned the jeans inside out and we've put tape on the areas where the jeans are ripped. Remember, if the jeans are made of stretch material, be sure to stretch those areas out when applying the tape. This will ensure that you will cover the rips, and as you are moving while you have the jeans on, it will secure the tape in place. Now we're going to turn the jeans right side out. As you can see, this is the next step in our jean dilemma. The next thing you want to do is use your permanent marker. Permanent marker is going to help us cover up the white tape on the jeans. See how it's covering it up already? So I'm going to finish this and then I'll show you the finished product. Here we go. Voila, my friends, there we are. Jeans with no rips. So you can wear them to your professional setting on jean day. Yay! That looks amazing. Keep in mind that the permanent black marker was only used with the dark colored jeans. However, when you're wearing jeans that are denim, you can always leave the white tape showing and it will cover up those rips. Therefore, you don't have exposed skin when you're at your professional setting, but you're still wearing your favorite jeans. You can also leave the adhesive side of the tape exposed under your dark jeans for a contrasting look. The cool thing about this whole idea is you don't have to ruin your jeans by sewing up the rips. You just take the tape off and voila, you have your ripped jeans again. Yeah, great idea, done in a snap.
Thank you for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.